Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Set, go. That was the worst filming ever. Trying to get going. Nate, River, you're...
Yo, I hit a rough.
Come on, don't give up.
I had a rough start.
Pedals fast you can. Keep going. Keep going. Nate, you better get your speed up right now because River is gaining on you. Don't stop pedaling. Come on, do you want to get going? Get going, let's go. I'm just going to go to the end of the road. Come on. River, you're right there though, same speed. Alright, slow down guys. Alright, start slowing down. Okay, good one. Alright, no more racing. Come on, slow down. Slow down. No. What'd you say to it, River?
Is he waiting for a taxi or something?
He's waiting for a taxi?
Yeah. Even though we're in the...
It's a little baby bird on the side of the road. You gotta fly, oh baby bird. You gotta fly somewhere, oh baby bird. Don't be scared, oh baby bird. But if a cat sees you, you're done.
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
What?
Dilemma, what do? Do you leave it here? Do you rescue it? What the fuck do you do?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I think we just leave it because it's gotta have a
Probably
mom
nature.
somewhere, right? I'm not sure what happened though. There's no like, it could be that tree. Or it probably just walked over here like, oh, okay. Dude, I just fell out the nest. This sucks. Oh, there he goes. He's good. I thought he might be like retarded, like wearing a helmet, like by the sidewalk in a lawn chair, like waving at people.
It's walking.
Oh, you're good. All right, go hide under the truck.
Probably hunting.
He's gonna hide under the F-150.
Probably hunting.
He's not hunting. He's like freaking 12 weeks old.
Coming from that way.
Good one, Nation. Chuck the stick. Okay.
Sick.
That was a real good try.
No, it wasn't.
This positive world. We'll just go ahead and say that was a good try. That was a good try, buddy.
No, it wasn't.
Nate.
Yeah.
Hey, I love Mama Goose. Yeah, Mama Goose.
Dad, keep on filming.
Or is it a duck? I got it.
River, stop.
River, stop starting, and don't, and forget it. Down the road like a toad. Down the road like a toad. After a while, crocodile. Alright, come on, Nation. Get to pedaling. Nation W freedom. Watch out for the speed bump. So did you guys see that Logan Paul guy's got to fight that one KSI guy? Does any of your YouTubers watch that?
I don't.
Do you know who the KSI guy is?
No. I don't even know.
Well, he's got to fight in a boxing match. Logan Paul. And his little brother is going to fight Logan's little brother. Ah, watch out!
Freaking Christ! Ow!
You're alright, you okay?
That's gonna leave a bruise!
Stand up, breathe, just breathe. You're alright, no blood, no gore. You know what? You guys are really good at wrecking without getting really hurt. You guys are just like you guys got the same blood as me.
Ow!
Don't yell and cry, River. You're okay. Look at the bunny. There's a bunny.
Bunny!
That'll make you feel better.
What happened? I just saw a fluffy tail.
River wrecked into you and almost died.
Okay. Ow.
But now we're looking at a bunny.
Let me see the engine.
She's married to Jason Momoa.
Him?
Yeah.
Ryder?
Lisa Bonet.
Oh. Ah! He's stupid. He doesn't even hear me. He's stupid. If you look behind, you can see the
Alright,
moon.
let's see the boo-boo after the blood has stopped flowing and you breathe. Okay, what part of the bike did you hit? We have to document this
Why?
for military reasons.
Why?
Because this is a military bike and we gotta report military. Did you hit this?
No.
Okay, let's recreate it. I got it
I
on
think
video
I
though. I
hit
got it on video.
I think I hit his
Okay,
spine.
stay right there, River. Okay, you collided with him perfectly in the back wheel. And then no, you didn't go way up there. You hit his back wheel.
Look at Dream.
No, back wheel, not back of his heel.
I'm hitting his back wheel.
No, you're not. You're missing it by
Not
like
like
a mile.
right on. Shut
Yeah, I think you hit it with your right front peg.
up.
You alright? Does it hurt though?
Let me recreate it.
No. You recreate Rex enough. See, Nation, go bike riding. River gets wounded.
No. We knew it.
But River's tough, and he,
Guys, I think this is the same field or something.
you know, I used to crash. Those are all cattails. I used to crash on my skateboard a lot, and I wouldn't really get hurt too bad. I would just roll out of it. So I can tell you guys got my genes because you guys wreck the same way as me. Watch out for this bump, Nene. It's a doozy. You got it.
Why was I using friends?